has the largest coconut tree growing areas in the world. It has geographically spread and been cultivated in almost every province of Indonesia. PT Nucla Mitra Indoindah strives to be the leading, integrated and largest coconut processing plant in Indonesia. Our factory is located in Sangihe Island in North Sulawesi province, which is the second largest coconut producing province in Indonesia. Our products are cocoa peat, cocoa fiber, coconut charcoal briquettes, coconut water, coconut milk, and other coconut-based products. Cocoa peat is a 100% natural growing medium. It helps plants to have strong roots, thus making it an excellent growing medium for hydroponics. We process coconut husks using defibering machine to get the best quality of cocoa peat. Screening. Cocoa peat is sieved thoroughly to remove the baby fiber and foreign matter. Washing. Cocoa peat is triple washed to lower the AC, electrical conductivity level. Dewatering. Cocoa peat is pressed to remove the water inside, to faster the drying process later. Drying. Cocoa peat is dried using rotary dryer to lower the moisture level. Screening. Cocoa peat is sieved again to make sure they are clean from dusts and foreign matters. Blocking. Cocoa peat is pressed into 5 kg blocks and ready for shipment. Another product you can get from coconut husk is coconut fiber. Cocoa fiber is used in products such as floor mats, doormats, brushes, and mattresses. Screening. Cocoa fiber is screened to remove the cocoa peat and other foreign objects. Drying. Cocoa fiber is dried using our latest technology bed dryer and also sun dry to lower the moisture level. Baling. Cocoa fiber is pressed into bundle/bale and ready for shipment.